Hi everyone. So if I wanted to check if a list is empty or not, or for example in this case it is empty, I might not want any of this to print. So it didn't print because of the length here was 0, so nothing executed. But let's say that I don't want any of this to execute anyway, so I could do a check. So there are many ways to check if the list is empty. So one of them is to use the length method, or the len method, and I would say val list like this is not equal to 0. Now if you wanted to check if it is empty, then you would, hold on, let me just fix this. If you wanted to check if it is empty, then it would be like this. And then here you can say the list is empty. Else. Oh, sorry, else. All right, so let's try this. So it says the list is empty. Another way, but in this case I actually want to check if it is not empty. Execute this, else I'm printing that the list is empty. So let's just change that. If it is not equal to 0, so that means it's actually got some content in there. Here I'm going to have an else and tab that, indent. Okay. So let's just give this another try. It will give us the same result. So that's one method. Another one is to, so what I'll do is I'll comment this out so you can see the different ways. Another one is to actually simply just do if vowel list is not equal to empty, an empty list. Okay, and I forgot the colon there. Now if you were checking if it is empty, then it would change, the condition will be equal to, but I'm checking if it is not empty. So this works also as expected. A third way, so let's do this. Usually an empty list has the value of false. So if true, this means if true, that means if it is not false, this means this is not an empty list. So this is the simplest. This is a simple way as well. So it's up to you which one you like to choose. But these are the 3 different ways. There are other ways, but these are the possible, some of the possible possible ways to check if the list is not empty. So I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.